Today we're going to talk about one of the biggest reasons traders lose money. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. G'day traders, today we're going to talk about one of the biggest reasons that most traders lose money, and that's because they do too much. They're impatient, they trade too much, they think too much, they're on the charts too much, they risk too much, and they blow up their accounts too much. So one of the great quotes by Warren Buffett, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Now this is a really big reason why you've heard me talk about in other videos. I don't day trade. I struggled with day trading. I would make some money, lose some money, make some money, and then blow my account up, largely from impulsive emotional errors. There are people out there who are able to do it successfully, but the bulk of the trading that where I've been successful on has been end of day and looking at asymmetrical risk-reward opportunities. You've heard me talk about Peter Brandt and Brent Penfold and studying them and focus on constant learning. I talk about getting my 7-step daily routine for high-performance traders, pushing the boundaries to improve my trading. One of the great things about end-of-day trading is that when you start to understand these asymmetrical risk-reward setups that build up on weekly charts, monthly charts, then you understand that some of the great traders, some of the best traders out there, spend the bulk of their time just waiting and being patient, because they know that when these opportunities set up, a lot of traders are trying to trade in these congestion patterns, in these tight compression patterns over weeks and months. And if you look at your monthly and weekly charts, you'll see that oftentimes the markets can be stuck in a range-bound area for weeks at a time. But the smart traders are waiting for these asymmetrical risk-reward setups to position themselves where they can enter the market in with a certain amount of risk, and they're willing to take a certain number of trade opportunities before, if they're wrong a couple of times, but when they get these opportunities and they take off, these are the types of trades that can give traders huge returns on their money. And if you've studied Peter Brandt, you've heard Peter Brandt talk about sometimes in a year, only 2 or 3 of his big trades will produce all of his profits for the entire year. Paul Tudor Jones doesn't like to look at opportunities or trade setups where he doesn't have at least a 5-to-1 risk-reward opportunity. So it's really critical, if you're not getting the results that you want in your trading, if you're trading too much, or you're sitting at the screen too much, or you're risking too much on individual trades, or you're losing too much, or you're spending a lot of time and not getting the results on your time for effort, possibly step back, look at these longer term time frame setups, look for these congestion patterns in Schaubacher's book, these asymmetrical opportunities, where you can just sit and wait patiently, because oftentimes traders will try to trade this and lose money, and then when the opportunity comes, they're either gun shy, or they're fearful, or they don't have a lot of capital left to actually take a reasonable sized position and still manage their risk and reap the rewards that these types of trade setups can produce. So hopefully you got some value out of today's video, traders. Remember, doesn't matter what market it is, they're all devices for transferring the money from the weak hands to the smart money. So you position yourself with the smart money, be patient. Most of the money is made by sitting and being in the hunt. It's the old saying, hurry up and wait. But I can assure you, if you're patient, if you study these longer term time frames, if you look for these asymmetrical risk-reward opportunities, they'll pay big dividends. Trade smarter, get better at it, trade bigger, and live the dream. Have a great trading week, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.